Well, a very good morning from Vermont. I've just finished up removing the snow. It's -1 Celsius, and I guess we had 6 inches. The plough made a good job of it, light work of it, and we met the town guy who ploughs for the road, and I'm going to include some clips on this video of his plough, which makes mine look like a toy. But he said I did a good job, and that's all that counts. We're going to go down to tomorrow, or Friday I should say, down to -26 degrees Celsius just for 48 hours or so, and then it's going to come back up into the 5 or 6 degrees. So wild temperatures right now. Got some snow on the roof. I'm not going to take that off right now. I might rake it a bit later on, but there's no great urgency. So I was asked today how quick it is to change the bucket on the Bobcat, and I'm going to show you the quick release on there. This is for Paul Middleton. Him and I go back too long that we care to think about at the Ridgeway School. So follow me, Paul. I'm going to show you the quick release to answer your question. So here we are at the plough, and I don't know whether you can see, Paul, but there's two levers there, one there and one there, and they just simply pull up, and the plough is fixed to this plate, and the whole plate has 2 pegs on the bottom, and those 2 levers just secure it in place, and it's changeable by that. It's the first year I've used a plough on the Bobcat. I normally use a little bit smaller plough on my UTV, which I had problems with in the fall this year. Wouldn't run right, so I put it into storage till the spring, and I purchased this plough, which is actually the proper job and would cost normally $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 that is. So I got it for $1,000 from a guy who was selling it, and it's quick release, and that's where where it hooks up to the hydraulics there, as you can see, and I can have the cab heater on. It's not that glamorous inside, but it's got everything I need. It's got music, a wind wiper, flashing lights on the top, and I've now had it, well, probably 16 years, and it really hasn't given me a lot of trouble. So it's probably the best thing I bought. So that's the yard today. We've had a deer come across the yard. I can see his footprints there. He's walked across, and I'm going to leave you guys to it. I'm going to include the drone shots today in this video, which I intend doing this year, and that's the snow on the roof, which I think I'm going to take care of because it's going so cold. So that's all from Vermont today. Sorry I haven't made many videos lately. It has been too cold, but we might get some lucky breaks in the weather next month. January's been quite a slow snow rate, the best ever I think, and I'll just give you a quick shot of the pool. A bit too cold to jump in today, but it's holding up well, and that's all that matters. And that's all from a very cold, snowy Vermont. Spring is just round the corner. Stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.